My name is Renee Allen, and today I'm going to demonstrate how to quilt this design using quilt foot on my Bernina sewing machine with these templates. Stitch vertical lines 2 inches apart and then fill with 1/2 inch horizontal and vertical lines. This is a 2-inch border and I marked every 2 inches. I'm using the Quilter's Groove Pro Mini ruler. You can use the ruler to stitch in the ditch, or you can freehand it. Once you get those lines stitched in, you can come back and do your 1/2 inch fill lines. Line up your rulers along the line and you don't have to mark it. You can use the front or the back of quilt foot. In this case, I'm lining up the 1/4 inch line in the ditch and using the ruler along the back. I could have done it along the previous stitching line in the front. Then stitch along your previously stitched line, so you backtrack, scoot over in the ditch. I'm eyeballing 1/4 of an inch here. Quilters get pretty good at eyeballing. Then line up that stitching line and the 1/4 inch line, scoot over in the ditch, eyeball 1/4 of an inch, check it out with the ruler and go back. Now this time, because I've got to get that line centered, I'm going to kind of eyeball each side of quilt foot and make sure that it's about even, and fudge just a hair if I need to, but it looks pretty close to 1/4 of an inch, and scoot down. Now I'm demonstrating Quilter's Groove Pro Line 2 ruler. You quilt along one side of the ruler, stitch over in the ditch, and quilt back up the other side. This takes the guesswork out of your 1/2 inch. Slide the ruler over against quilt foot. Make sure that your lines are parallel. Scoot over in the ditch and back down the other side of the ruler. Now you'll scoot the ruler over again. Make sure your ruler's lined up in the ditch and back up. Same thing horizontally. Line up your 1/4 inch line on the ditch. Stitch your line, stitch up, stitch over. Backtrack on your previously stitched line. Scoot over, down the ruler. Then move the ruler up against the foot and to the end.